Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update. Today we got PMI. First, at 9:45, we got the composite PMI that came lower than the previous one, but as expected. So that's good news. Services PMI also more or less expected, 46.2. And at 10, we got the big one, non-manufacturing PMI that came 3 points more than expected. We got 56 and we were expecting 53, a decrease of 1 point since the previous one. And then we got non-manufacturing employment details, 51, 2 points more than the expected. And business activity, 64, 10 points more than expected. So at 10, we got a huge change of sentiment on the day that was caused because of the news. So this was the sell-off, and then we started consolidating down here around 11,870 and 19, and then we started going higher and higher and higher, and I was quite surprised. Once we got the news, I stopped trading for the day. I was looking for continuation to the long side, but I was waiting for this economic data to be released at 10. I was long biased today, and I didn't trust this price action. So I took the short up here once Apple was starting to show weakness on the low of the day at these levels. So Microsoft was pushing, Tesla was pushing, and I was honestly super surprised seeing this price action going higher with all the bad news from the PMI. So that was surprising, and volume was exactly showing a lot of accumulation. As you can see, if we change that to these levels, volume area high was right at 942, and we got that rejection. We went through VWAP, and directly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shorts were waiting. We were waiting up here. Bearish divergence on the MACD and overbought levels at this on the RSI. So I was just waiting for that opportunity, and I took the short. I covered around here, bear flag, and we are right at low of day. So I don't know why some people was buying this based on the bad news at 10 a.m. I didn't buy that. But right now, apart from the economic data, we also saw dollar pushing. So why is dollar pushing? Why are we bullish on the overall market when dollar is pushing? And why we are bullish on the Nasdaq, on the overall market, when clearly 2-year yields are pushing higher and 10-year yields are also pushing higher. So we got this very interesting candle, bearish candle, but right now we are bouncing off 350 on the 10-year. 10-year is up 261 and 2-year is up 1.92% on the day. And all yields, all inverted yield curves, look at this. Just look at this. So this is the 2-year minus 3-month inverted yield curve. So it looks like fears of a recession are starting to decrease. People is not as scared as before regarding recession, but we are not talking about recession. We are talking about yields. This inverted yield curve also saw a bounce. The 10-year minus the 3-year and the big one, the 10-year minus the 2-year, this is the big one. It's not bullish. We are way deep on the inversion. So all yields are showing green on the day. This is April's next year. We are pricing in 4.92, almost 5%. September is also pricing in 4.92%. So if we think about that, we are going higher and stay at 5% terminal rate, more or less until September, since April, and then we got a decrease to 4.62%, 4.6 until the end of the year, and then another cut This is September, sorry, this is September, and then another cut in December for this is 9%, and this is 4.6%. So this is the things that markets are pricing in, and I was super surprised seeing price action going higher. So that was it. Let's go back to the Nasdaq and see. This is the 5-minute. I think this is super clear. Sentiment is bearish. Let's check the daily. We are starting at the week. We were super bullish. This is the daily. Remember, we found again resistance at this same level of 12,100, and economic data is not looking good. So this is expected. This was a nice bull candle, bottoming tail, red one, but today, I mean, you have to adjust your bias when you find new information like today's one. So where we might be going, I mean, the first visual target is 11,800. Psychological level also, we are pushing low of days right now. And the first target visual is Fridays last week. So this will be one. And then this is Powell's speech move. I think we can also find some buyers down here at 11,500. I don't think we are going that much lower, but for sure 11,800 would be my target if I was still short on the day. But look at this. This is super clear. We are trending lower. So be careful and watch out for today's price action, because right now Tesla is 5% in the red and everything else is in the red. XLY minus 2%, so consumer discretionary, 1/3 of US economy is deep in the red, and I think VIX 5% gapping up. This is the market we are in right now. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember, I upload new videos every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recap. I appreciate your time and see you in a couple of hours with the market recap. Remember, the trading day is not over, it's looking bad, so discipline and risk management are key for success. Stay safe, everyone.